Alright. What's going on, YouTube? We back again. This '08 Charger done fell in our lap. Got a 6.1 Hemi. We got to pull the engine out, see what we can do with it. I got the 3rd gen. It's off at the exhaust shop right now. About to go see what that's got going on too. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot of other projects going on. This 3rd gen is for sale. I've had my fun with it, and I got this Monte Carlo project that I'm going to be posting about, as well as this Chevy SS, so stay tuned.
Shit, I might slide. Shit.